Welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'll show you one of the Canva's newest and most powerful feature, the Canva AI Video Clip Generator. This tool lets you type an idea and Canva instantly turns that idea into a short video clip. You can find it right here, okay? Or you can click this tab, Canva AI. Then click video clip. So here you can type your idea or paste your idea, whichever you like. So for this example, we're going to use this prompt here. Create a smooth 6-second video clip for a content creator working at a minimal desk setup with soft natural lighting. Let us copy this prompt. Then we paste it here. So down here, you have the controls. You can choose the style, aspect ratio, audio. If you want your video to have audio or without audio, framing and lighting, okay? So when you're satisfied, just click this arrow icon to generate your video. So Canva AI is saying, just a heads up, I can only create videos that are 8 seconds long right now. Would you like to go ahead and generate an 8-second video of a content creator at a minimal desk setup with soft natural lighting and audio? Just say yes. So here you can see that the Canva AI generator is working on your video. So now we have our video, okay? Yeah, this is our video.
Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today, we're diving into how to create a productive yet minimalist workspace that inspires creativity.
So if you want to edit further, just click Canva Editor. Or if you're satisfied with your video, click this download icon here to save your video into your local storage. That's it. Thank you for watching this video, guys. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe.
Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today, we're diving into how to create a productive yet minimalist workspace that inspires creativity.